Alright, so I have here our 4 VTHs and our 2 VTOs. And I'm going to be showing you how you can call from one VTH to another VTH when you have a main VTH and your extensions. So let's go ahead and log into our VTO and I'll show you. One of the requirements is making sure that in your configuration, where it's here, in your configurations that you have your max extension set up here, and you have group call selected. Then you go into the indoor manager, and as you can see here, I have my main, which is 224. This is 224, which is 192.168.10.224. And then my other extensions, which basically are -1, -2, and -3. So moving on to my screens here. If you notice on the top, that is -1. This is my main, which is 9902. This is my second 9902-2, and then 9902-3. So if I want to call from here to here, I'll go ahead and click on call, then call user, and just do 9902, and it's going to call. It's going to go ahead and stop that. It's going to say line busy. Now, it's different when you're calling from a non-main, not this one. Let's say this is in the living room, and these are in the back patio. You have this one in a bedroom, and then you have this one, let's say, in the guest bedroom. Well, if you want to call something else, like an extension, what you would do would be dash, and let's say this one is -1, so -1, and you start calling, and it'll start calling that. The same, if you're going to call from here to any of the extensions, and you want to dial 3, just do -3, and that's going to call. You can answer, and you'll hear each other. Go ahead and stop that, because you'll get the audio reverb. And that's basically how you would call from any of the extensions or to the main VTH. Thank you for watching.